This is a new program that we started this year, and it's culinary. So culinary is all about teamwork, communication, and leadership. The cadets will get together, will learn the recipes, learn the safety of how to handle a knife, learn about inventories, how to store the food correctly.
I've always loved cooking since I was young, and for my brigade, we have a lot of people cooking, and I want to take that leadership opportunity so I can teach my fellow cadets on other cooking skills, because there's a lot of stuff out there that people cook differently, and I want to know how to cook differently from everybody's perspective.
The whole idea of just culinary is cooking with food and just learning safety of different things you have to do when you have to cook, prepare food, and serve others. I really love caring for others and just making other people smile, happy.
It's very important for them to learn how to cook the food in the correct temperature. It's important for them to learn how to store it so it stays fresh longer. And it's important for them to communicate while cooking so they don't hurt each other while moving around in a busy environment. A lot of reactions that I've seen from cadets, they are surprised with how many spices there are. They've all been trying spices that they've never seen before, and they love it.
My goal is to take the knowledge I learned here, take all my notes that I've learned and I've gotten here, to put it in my brigade to help us better understand and help me better teach them to be a better leader as well.
You learn a lot. You learn so much knowledge that you really should know, get to know, and you will use in the future. And the most important reason why I joined culinary was because I want to be a chef and own a restaurant when I'm older.